A lot of Nigerians love to eat egusi soup, but they don't even know what it looks like on the farm. In this video, I'll be showing you what egusi looks like. I'll be explaining to you how to plant it and process it before it's actually made into soup or any delicacy which you love. Join me in this video as I show you how to plant and process egusi.
So I'm trying to buy egusi for farming. Egusi for farming.
So the first thing I did was to get to the market. I checked out the various species of egusi in the market and I decided to pick up the one I wanted and I paid for it and off I went.
Okay, give me now.
So this farming season was actually in 2022 and a mudu of egusi then was selling for 650 naira. The best time to plant egusi or melon seed, which some people call it, is at the beginning of the rainy season, which is around April, May in Nigeria. After planting egusi, it takes about 5 to 7 days for it to germinate if the seed is very good. But if you have a bad seed, it might stay up to 10 days before it germinates. Some seeds actually germinate or start sprouting after 3 days. You will see it kicking off the ground. Don't be surprised by the heaps that you see around the farm. I planted the melon seed, which is also known as egusi, alongside yams and potatoes. Between 4 to 6 weeks, the egusi have grown very well and insects like aphids, caterpillars have started attacking the leaves. So at this point, it's good to spray insecticides so that those insects will stop feasting on the leaves and your egusi will do very well.
Combat insecticide for vegetables, homegrown vegetables.
One of the effects of this insecticide is that it somehow also nourishes the plant itself, as it's destroying the pests and insects that are affecting the leaves. It's also nourishing the plant itself. Another thing to note is that within this 4 to 6 weeks period, the melon seed starts producing flowers. And once it starts producing flowers, you know it will start fruiting anytime soon. The total growth period of melon seed or egusi is usually between 90 days to 120 days. That's 3 to 4 months. So you see that it's always very important to take care of your farm, as there is no much gap between when it produces flowers and when it starts producing fruits. So grasses around will be competing for nutrients with the melon seed or the egusi fruit, and this is going to call for immediate weeding of the farm.
Oh, akwai B. Akwai B. B. Cash. One na Kasenshi. B. Honey. Honey. Moses. Wetin be B for Hausa? Zuma. Akwai Zuma. Eh.
Around this period, the third to 6 weeks, the egusi starts producing flowers. And what you notice around your farm is that you start seeing bees. So why are you seeing bees? You are seeing bees because bees helps to pollinate these flowers, this egusi. Egusi relies heavily on insects. It's not like others that say wind and all that other kinds of plant that relies on wind. It relies on insects, especially bees for pollination. At 2 months, which is about 60 days, it has produced bulbs, fruits that look almost like watermelon, but the fleshy part is bitter. We then wait for it to dry up and be ready for harvest.
So we're picking out the balls and gathering them together in one place first. That's the first step. How do you get to know that the egusi is ready for harvest? You will get to see that the ropes are dried. That's one of the way you get to know that it's ready for harvest. The ropes will be dry.
When the vines of the melon seed or the egusi is ready for harvest, the vines dry up, turns golden brown. So we pluck off the bulbs from the vines, gather them together in a place, and allow it to further decay.
All right. So it's time for beans planting season, and we've done some ridges here. This was where we had all those egusi, egusi. So we're opening them now, and we're going to have to we'll open them up, then leave them to rot. This is how it's done. Okay, is that just how they now so they do am? They no go open and full. Eh. Okay. So they'll all be cut with knives. That one never done well. You know one that is hard like that. It's not really. So we'll have our ridges. We're about to plant beans. Yeah, 2022. Here. It. The last video I did, I showed you where I was cutting the melon seed open, the egusi open. Then we left it. I left it here on this farm to rotten. You can see I already I've planted beans here, but that's by the way. So we'll leave it here to rotten. When it rottens, then after some time, maybe within the space of 1 week, we'll come and open it. We'll open them up bring out the egusi, then use sieve, wash off the dirt, then sun dry it, and our egusi is ready. So you can see behind me, we have already started opening them. We open it up, then that's open it up like this. Then this is what the egusi looks like. This is what the egusi looks like. Then we gather them into this. Yeah, come on, come on. Yeah. Hello, hello. Although I've done that already, the first one, this is the second batch. There are certain ones that are not fully ripened. It's supposed to be brown like this.
So I take off my time to wash off the slimy part of the brown back. Then I sun dry it for some time. And what next?
To do the rest.
After sun drying till it's very dried, we start peeling off the backs to reveal the main egusi.
Kai, that thing is not the way it's been done. Oh. Anybody that knows how to do this thing, we know that.
Yeah, I can imagine.
This one, they learn work.
But then when we were growing up, we were doing this thing. My mom, this hard is to buy it. Yeah, they give us to do.
It keeps the children busy.
Some of them are not good.
I'll blow it now.
When you are blowing, even if I'm not around, please record it.
Okay, I'll get closer to the record.
So this is the final product. So if you like and watch to the end, if you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, Omenuko Lifestyle. This is it, melon seed, egusi. After peeling the back, this is what it looks like. And we're gonna cook it and make a beautiful delicacy. Thank you. Hello.